Hello guys, and this here the printer XP, and I am spill to printer XP. This here for the scanner. This XP printer have the scanner. This here for the ink, the toner, the this here for black, cyan, magenta, yellow. Okay, this here for color. If you need put, you open here, you press the ink. Okay, and this here the power, the power turn on. I'm testing on this here, not put the cable. This here power, and this here for color testing. This here for the Wi-Fi. This for the Wi-Fi, and this here for the error paper. Click here. Okay, and this here for insert paper. Okay, for insert the paper, and if you need